ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 92 टिप्पणी you see before टिप्पणी 1, that big paragraph which we completed last time. See fourth or fifth line from the bottom. Yatra dhuma bhavas, or even in that portion I want to know if it is clear to everybody. That portion is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Who can explain? Okay, I will quickly go through it, okay? Because I know it may not be clear. Upadhi Lakshanam is?
Sadhya Vyapakatve Sati Sadhana Vyapakatve.
You see third line from top there. Sadhya Vyapakatve Sati Sadhana Vyapakatva Rupa Lakshanasya. Upadhi Lakshanam. What is the Upadhi in this?
Vahni Sanyoga Abhava.
Vanni Sanyoga Abhava. So this Lakshana, he translates it in this way. Vyapaka Vyapakatve Sati Vyapya Vyapakatvam. Okay, this is first part. Instead of Sadhya, he says Vyapaka. Sadhana, he says Vyapya. Tathacha. Yatra Vanya Bhavo Jalahridaya. In Jalahridaya, there is Vanya Abhava. Tatra Vanya Sanyoga Abhava Rupasya Upadehe. Vanya Sanyoga Abhava Rupa Upadhi. You made that correction last time, correct? Did you all make correction?
No, Swamiji.
No, Swamiji.
How no, Swamiji? What is the Upadhi?
Vahni Sanyoga Abhava.
So where it says Tatra, Vanya Sanyoga Bhava Rupasya Upadehe. So I had told, make it Vanya Sanyoga Abhava Rupasya.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji.
You made that correction, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Then
Yes,
why
Swamiji.
here? Tatra Vanya Sanyoga Bhava Rupasya Upadehe. If Sanyoga is Hraswa, make it Dirgha, because Upadhi is Vanya Sanyoga Abhava Rupa. तत्र वन्य संयोगाभाव रूपस्य उपाधेः सत्वात्. कुत्र सत्वात्? जलहृद. In Jalahrid, Vanya Sanyoga Abhav is there, Satvat. So now, Vyapaka, Vyapakatvena. Vyapaka is Vanya Abhava. Right? Its Vyapaka will be what? What will be Vyapaka, Vyapaka?
Dhruma.
Hmm?
Dhruma.
No. What will be Vyapaka, Vyapaka? Vyapakasya Vyapakam Kim? I didn't ask Vanya Vyapaka or Vanya. I said Vyapakasya Vyapakam Kim?
व्याप्य
How?
साध्य
Vyapakas Vyapaka will be Upadhi. Because what is Upadhi Lakshana? Sadhya Vyapakatve Sati. So what will be, that's why the new Lakshana you see, Sadhana Vyapakatva Rupa, Sadhya Vyapakatve Sati, Sadhana Vyapakatva Rupa Lakshanasya, Vyapaka Vyapakatve Sati. So Vyapaka Vyapaka will be what?
Upadhi.
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 उपाधि
So Vani Sanyoga Abhava will be Vyapaka of what?
वाक्नी संयोगाभाव.
My question is Vani Sanyoga Abhava will be Vyapaka of what? You are saying Vani Sanyoga Abhava. I turned the question. Vani Sanyoga Abhava is Upadhi.
Yes, Swami.
यस स्वामी जी
Vani Sanyoga Abhava will be Vyapaka of what?
साध्य.
What is the Sadhya?
Vani Abhava.
Vani Abhava. That line you see, Vyapaka Vani Abhava Vyapakatvena. Vyapaka is Vani Abhava. Its Vyapaka is what?
Upadhi.
Which is what?
Vahni Sanyoga.
Vani Sanyoga Abhava.
Is this line clear?
Now, Swami.
Yes or no?
Now it is clear, Swami.
Now it is clear. Is it clear to everybody? Yes, no. See what he said. What is Upadhi? Sadhya Vyapaka. Sadhya Vyapakatve Sati Sadhana Vyapaka. Sadhana Vyapaka part you leave for now. Sadhya Vyapakatva, this much we know. Now what is Sadhya or what is the Vyapaka in the Vyapti?
Vanya Abhava.
वाहनी
Vanya
अभाव
Abhava. So Vanya Abhava Vyapaka will be what?
Upadhi.
Upadhi.
वाक्नी
Which is what?
संयोगाभाव.
Vanya Sanyoga Abhava. So yatra yatra Vanya Abhava, tatra tatra Vanya Sanyoga Abhava. This much is true or not?
Yes, Swami.
Where Vanya Abhava is there, Vanya Sanyoga Abhava will be there. So Sadhya Vyapakatvam up to this is set. Then further, yatra dhuma bhava tatra vanni sanyoga bhava bhavo. Where dhuma bhava is there. Dhuma bhava is vyapya. See, before part, if you look at all this, then it will be fresh. Otherwise, I will have to explain everything what we did earlier. Yatra dhuma bhava is vyapya. Yatra dhuma bhava tatra vanni sanyoga abhava abhava. Vanni sanyoga abhava bhava. Vanni sanyoga abhava is upadhi. Dhuma bhava is vyapya. So vyapya avyapakatvam, that is what he wants to show. So vyapaka vyapakatve sati vyapya vyapakatvam. Vyapya is dhuma bhava and vyapaka is
Vanya.
vanya bhava, the vyapti. Upadhi is vyapya avyapaka. Upadhi is vyapya avyapaka. Vyapya is dhuma bhava. Upadhi is avyapaka of dhuma bhava. Dhuma bhava is there in Jalarada.
Yes, Swami.
Yes.
Dhuma bhava is also there in Ayogolaka. In Ayogolaka, Vanni Sanyoga Abhava Abhava. Vanni Sanyoga Abhava is Upadhi. Upadhi Abhava. In Ayogolaka, Vanni Sanyoga Abhava Abhava. Vanni Sanyoga Abhava Abhava means?
Vahni Sanyoga.
Vanni Sanyoga. Vanni Sanyoga means? Vanni is present there. Vanni Sanyoga. Vanni is associated with Ayogolaka. So, in Ayogolaka, Dhuma Bhava is there. Vanni Sanyoga Abhava Abhava is there. So it is sadhana of vyapaka. So sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. This lakshanam of upadhi is there in Vanni Sanyoga Abhava. And in Vyatireka Vyapti, this is available. Okay. So, Upadhi Lakshana is done. See further now. Vyapaka bhavat, vyapya bhavaha. Vyapaka abhavat, vyapya abhavaha. Vyapaka upadhehe ayogolake abhavat, vyapyasya vanya bhavasya abhava. Vyapaka abhavat, vyapya abhavaha. Here, what is the vyapaka? Here he takes vyapaka is upadhi and vyapya is, don't get confused. Huh? I almost am sure you are already keep this in mind. Everybody see here what I am telling. Otherwise, this is, you are not going to get this. Pay attention here. Don't look in the book. See here. In Vyapti, what is Vyapya? Means in this Vyapti, in Vyatireki Vyapti of Vanni Dhuma, what is Vyapya?
Vanya. Sorry. Upari.
Dhuma bhava.
Dhuma Bhava. And what is Vyapaka?
Vanya bhava.
Vanya Bhava. why dhuma bhava is vyapya, why vanya bhava is vyapaka? It should be other way or not?
Because this is
Asad.
Asad Hetu.
Everybody heard that answer?
Yes, Swamiji. Asad Hetu.
Because why?
Asad Hetu.
Huh? Say it loudly and clearly.
Asad Hetu. Because
Ah.
it is Asad Hetu.
Because of asad hetu, correct. Because it is asad hetu, what is the anumanam here?
धूमवान वह्नेः
Dhumavaan vannehe. In this anumanam, hetu is asad hetu. Therefore, in the Vyatireka Vyapti, you will have Dhuma Bhava as Vyapya, Vanya Bhava as Vyapaka. Okay. Now you see that line which we were discussing. Vyapaka Bhavat Vyapya Bhavaha. This Vyapaka Bhavat Vyapya Bhavaha, you write down there in everything. Here Vyapaka Bhava, Vyapaka is Upadhi. And Upadhi is Vyapya. What is Upadhi's Vyapya?
Vakti Abhava.
Correct. Vanya Bhava. Upadhi's Vyapya is Vanya Bhava. So Vyapaka Abhavat. Vyapaka Abhava means Vanya Sanyoga Abhava Abhavat. Vyapya. Vanya Abhava is Abhava. So that means where Vanya Sanyoga is there, Vanya is also there. Vanya Sanyoga Vanya. This is what it means. In this line where Vyapaka is given, you understand Vanya Sanyoga Abhava, Upadhi, which is given there. Further you read, Vyapako Padhehe Ayogolake Abhavat. Vyapaka is what? Upadhi. Upadhehe Ayogolake Abhavat. Upadhi is Vanya Sanyoga Abhava. Vanya Sanyoga Abhava in Ayogolaka, Vanya Sanyoga Abhava is there. Means Vanya Sanyoga is there. Then Vyapya. What is the Vyapya? Vanya Bhava. Vyapyasya Vanya Bhavasya Bhava. Vanya Bhavasya Bhava is what? Vanya Rupaha. That is given Vanya Bhava Bhavo Vanya Rupaha. This line is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Evancha Ayogolake Vanya Bhava Nasti. Therefore, this is over now. Discussion is over. Ayogolake Vanya Bhava Nasti. In Ayogolaka, Vanya Bhava is not there. Means Vanya is there. But Dhuma Bhava Asti. Dhuma Bhava is also there. So there is Vyabhichara. Iti Vyabhichara Unnayakataya Vyatireka Sahachara Upadhi Vyabhicharita Sambandhena Upadhiman Ityartha. So there is Vyatireka Sahachara. Vyatireka Sahachara Upadhi Vyabhicharita Sambandhena. Vyatireka Sahachare Upadhi Vyabhicharita Sambandhena Upadhiman. और व्यतिरेक सहचार है प्रथम ओनली. व्यतिरेक सहचार is उपाधिमान here. What is व्यतिरेक सहचार? What is अन्वय सहचार?
यत्र यत्र धूम तत्र तत्र वह्नि. Same adhikaram.
यत्र यत्र धूमस् तत्र तत्र वह्नि. Or if you want to make it general, yatra hetu. What?
कारणसत्त्वे कार्यसत्त्वम्.
Karana Sattva Karya Sattvam. Yes, this is correct. This we had seen in Kiranavali. Karana Sattva Karya Sattvam. Karana is what? Dhuma or Vanni?
Vahni.
So Karana Sattva Karya Sattvam. What will you say?
Vahni Satve, Dhuma Satve.
Is that correct? In Yatra Yatra Dhumas Tatra Tatra Vanni, how that will be valid?
In that Vyapti, it is not Vahni Jnana. Vahni Jnanam.
Correct. So Vanni, so Dhuma Jnana Sattve Vanni Jnanam. That is Karana Sattve Karya Sattvam. Karana is
Vahni Jnanam. Dhuma Jnanam.
Karana is Dhuma Jnanam. When Dhuma Jnanam is there, Vanni Jnanam. This is Anvaya Sahachara or Vyatirek Sahachara?
Anvaya Sahachara.
And what is Vyatireka Sahachara?
Karana Abhave, Karya Abhava.
Karana Abhave. Those who don't know or don't remember, you have to take down notes. And you have to listen to the whole thing again. If you want to study Vedanta Paribhasha. Karana Bhave, Karya Bhava. This is Vyatireka Sahachara. Okay, let us move forward now. Vyatireka Upadhi Vyabhicharita Sambandhena Upadhiman. Now we go to previous page 91. Not 90. Hmm. 91. I was supposed to start from here, but I did the revision. See the last line of the Tika on 91. Right? This is where we have to start. So the line that we already saw, Nirupadhi Vyatireka Sahacharena Anvaya Vyaptihi Eva Grihyate Iti Vyatirekini Api Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam Eva Anumiti Hetuhu. Nirupadhi Vyatireka Sahacharena Anvaya Vyapti Eva Grihyate. Vyatireka Sahachara, where there is no Upadhi, then by that Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam takes place. Iti, this is Kechid Matam, Shikhamanikara. Iti Vyatirekini Api Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam Eva Anumiti Hetu. So he says, through Vyatireki also Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam can take place. Then somebody will say, एवं सति अन्वय व्यतिरेकिणोर भेदो न स्यात्. Then in that case, what is the bheda between Anvaya and Vyatireka? Because you are saying through Vyatireka Sahachara, you will get Anvaya Vyapti. So then Anvaya and Vyatireka are same. Evam sati Anvayi Vyatirekinoho Bhedo na syat. They will be same. Iti nacha vachya. व्यतिरेक सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीर यत्र अनुमिति हेतु स व्यतिरेकी। व्यतिरेक सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति ही व्यतिरेक सहचार इज व्हाट इज व्यतिरेक सहचार?
कारणाभावे कार्याभावम् भावम्
कारणाभावे कार्याभावः। भाव इज पुल्लिंग। व्यतिरेक सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीहि यत्र अनुमिति हेतु। देर वेर अनुमिति हेतु व्यतिरेक सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीहि। Through व्यतिरेक सहचार alone, if you get through that jnanam alone, you get अन्वय व्याप्ति ज्ञान, and that becomes the anumiti hetu, that is व्यतिरेकी व्याप्ति। and यत्र अन्वय सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीहि अनुमिति हेतु सो अन्वय व्यतिरेकी इति विभाग उपपत्ते। Where in between one line is there
Yes, Swami.
for अन्वय, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. यत्र अन्वय सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीहि अनुमिति हेतु सो अन्वयी। And then so yes, that's what I was wondering. यत्र अन्वय सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य व्याप्ति धीहि अनुमिति हेतु, so after that you have to say अन्वयी। After so अन्वयी, then यत्र उभय विध सहचार ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीर अनुमिति हेतु सो अन्वय व्यतिरेकी इति विभागो उपपत्ते। So after the first two lines, where it says in the second line at the end so अन्वय, make it so अन्वयी। And then you have to add one line, यत्र उभय विध सहचार ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीर अनुमिति हेतु। ओनली इट इज वेरी सिंपल। यत्र उभय विध सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीर अनुमिति हेतु सो अन्वय व्यतिरेकी। So where you have only Vyatireka Sahachara, that Jnanam will be, that Vyapti will be Vyatireki. That where you have only Anvaya Sahachara, that Jnana Janya Anumiti Hetu, that Vyapti will be Anvayi. Where you have Ubhaya Sahachara, Jnanam. And then उभय विध सहचार ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति दी अनुमिति हेतु सो अन्वय व्यतिरेकी। सो अन्वयी व्यतिरेकी अन्वय व्यतिरेकी, these three types will work according to Kechid Matam. Okay. अस्मिंश्च पक्षे यदा स्फुरणम नहीं अस्मिन् पक्षे यदा अन्वय सहचारेण एव अन्वय व्याप्ति स्फुरणम when through अन्वय सहचार अन्वय व्याप्ति स्फुरणम takes place तदा धूमस्य केवलान्वयितया गमकत्वम् then धूमस्य धूम will be केवलान्वयी धूमस्य केवलान्वयितया गमकत्वम् यदा व्यतिरेक सहचारेण एव अन्वय व्याप्ति स्फुरणम तदा केवल व्यतिरेकितया गमकत्वम् धूमस्य गमकत्वम्. So in this paksha, when अन्वय सहचार is there, means कारण सत्वे कार्य सत्व अन्वय सहचारेण एव अन्वय व्याप्ति स्फुरणम. Through अन्वय सहचार, if अन्वय व्याप्ति takes place, then dhuma is केवलान्वयी हेतु, and where व्यतिरेक सहचारेण अन्वय व्याप्ति स्फुरणम, then केवल व्यतिरेकितया धूमस्य गमकत्वम्. यदा अन्वय व्यतिरेक सहचारेण अन्वय व्याप्ति स्फुरणम तदा अन्वय व्यतिरेकितया. Basically, he has explained the first three sentences again in simplified form. Yada this much is clear, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
यदा व्यतिरेक सहचारेण एव यदा व्यतिरेक सहचारेण व्यतिरेक व्याप्तेरेव ज्ञानम तथा अर्थापत्ति विधया धूमस्य प्रामाण्यम. When व्यतिरेक सहचार is there, व्यतिरेक सहचार means in sad hetu व्यतिरेक सहचार will be वन्य भावे धूमा भाव. This is व्यतिरेक सहचार. व्यतिरेक सहचारेण व्यतिरेक व्याप्तिरेव ज्ञानम. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानम will take place. तदा अर्थापत्ति विधया धूमस्य प्रामाण्यम. Then this केचित् mata they say through अर्थापत्ति also dhuma can be pramanya means dhuma can become hetu for jnana. न च व्यतिरेकी अनुमानस्य पृथक् प्रमाणत्वे अपि प्रमाणत्वे अपसिद्धान्तः. The सिद्धांति does not want to accept व्यतिरेकी अनुमानम. व्यतिरेकी अनुमानस्य पृथक् प्रमाणत्वे न अपसिद्धान्तः. Why? After अपसिद्धांत you can put comma. मूल ग्रंथेषु सूक्तिरूप्य मिथ्यात्वादौ तत्र तत्र व्यतिरेकी अनुमानस्यापि प्रमाणत्वेन उपन्यासात्. मूल ग्रंथ मीन्स विवरण 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. शुक्तिरूप्य मिथ्या दृश्यत्वात् यन्नैवं तन्नैवं यथा ब्रह्म इति विवरणादौ. शुक्तिरूप्य मिथ्या, they have given everything together, but you should read it this way. Shuktirupya Shuktirupyam, it should be actually Shuktirupyam mithya drishyatvat. What is the sadhya?
Mithya.
What is the sadhya?
Mithyatvam.
Mithyatvam. Yannaivam tannaivam. What is yannaivam tannaivam?
साध्य अभावः यत्र साध्य अभावः तत्र हेतु अभावः
यत्र साध्य भाव तत्र हेतु भाव. यत न एवं तत् न एवं. इन हिंदी, जो ऐसा नहीं है वो ऐसा वैसा नहीं है. जो ऐसा नहीं है वो वैसा नहीं है. Means what will you put there? Yanna how will you put?
Yanna mithyatvam. Tanna drishyatvam.
You say yanna mithya tanna drishya. Because if you say mithyatvam drishyatvam, you'll have to say yatra. Mithyatvam drishyatvam will be in adhikarana, so yatra. And a thing which you want to point out, then you have to say yat na mithya tanna drishyam. That which is not mithya is not drishya. This pata, is it drishya?
yes Swamiji.
Yes,
Is
sir.
drishya. Pata is drishya. Pata has drishyatvam. Pata has drishyatvam. So if you say yatra yatra drishyatvam, tatra tatra mithya. Yanna mithya tanna drishya. Yatha Brahma. Brahma is not mithya. Brahma is not drishya. So here for Shukti Rupya Mithyatva, Vyatireki Vyapti is given. Yanna evam tanna evam. Vyatireki Drashtanta is given then. So see that line now. Nacha Vyatireki Anumanasya Prathak Pramanatve Apasiddhanta. When we accept Purvapakshi, means these Kechit people, they are saying, in Vyatireka Anumana, accepting it as separate Pramanam is not Apasiddhanta. Why? Because he says, in your Mula Grantha, like Vivarana, Shukti Rupya Mithyattvadau, Tatra Tatra Vyatireki Anumanasyapi Pramanatvena Upanyasyat. Upanyasa is done. It has in Vivarana Grantha, Shukti Rupya Mithyatva. There Vyatireki Anumanam is presented as Pramanam. Vyatireki Anumanasya Pramanatvena Upanyasat. Tasmat Trividham va Anumanam Yuktam. Therefore, Anumanam is of three types. Anvayi, Vyatireki, Kevala Anvayi, Kevala Vyatireki, and Anvaya Vyatireki, according to Purvapaksha. Yuktam iti vadanti. Iti vadanti, second number tippani, vadanti iti asya ashtadhika षष्ठ षष्ठाशत 68 पृष्ठ. So I think our page numbers are not, but we saw it on which page? Page number 89. You change that to 89. Because those page numbers might have been there without tippanis added. So now it is not 68, it is 89. So there where it was said Kechid Vadanti is concluding here. Iti anena durvyavhitena sambandha. Now Siddhanti is refuting all of that. He says Tatra idam vaktavyam. Na tavad Upanishad mate anumanasya kevalanvaitvam sambhavati. In according to Upanishad mata, means Vedanta mata, anumanam cannot be kevalanvayi. If it is kevalanvayi, what is the lakshana of kevalanvayi?
अन्वय मात्र व्याप्ति
Like Akasha,
स्ववृत्ति विरोधि वृत्तिमत् अत्यन्ताभाव प्रतियोगित्वं साध्यस्य केवलान्वयत्वम्.
स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत अत्यंताभाव
अप्रतियोगित्वम्.
अप्रतियोगित्वम is kevalanvay. So swavritti virodhi, why this was added?
संयोग अभाव लक्षण to go there.
Because sanyoga bhava is kevalanvay, but lakshana was not going there. And vrittimat,
Lakshana to go to Akasha.
akasha abhava. Lakshana can go to akasha abhava. संयोगा भाव आकाश अभाव. स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत अत्यंता भाव प्रति. Simple लक्षण is अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्वम. In न्याय बोधिनी that is the lakshanam given. Then this is parishkrita lakshanam. Okay, so now we are. So he says in Upanishad mata anumanasya kevalanvaitvam na sambhavati. Why? Because according to this you will say Akasha abhava is kevalanvayi, sanyoga abhava is kevalanvayi, prameyatvam is kevalanvayi, abhidheyatvam is kevalanvayi. So many kevalanvayi you will bring. According to Upanishad, सर्वस्य प्रपंचस्य ब्रह्मनिष्ठ अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्व अभिधानात्. Entire prapancha is brahmanishta atyanta bhava pratiyogi, and therefore entire prapancha is mithya in Brahma. It cannot be kevalanvayi. Sarvasya prapanchasya brahmanishta atyanta bhava pratiyogi. In Brahma, their atyanta bhava is available. Not that they are atyanta bhava apratiyogi. They become atyanta bhava pratiyogi in Brahma. Abhidanat, Tathanat. In this way, it is taught in Upanishad. Brahmani prapancha atyanta bhavo vyavaharika. If you say atyanta bhava in Brahma of all this is vyavaharika, then iti pakshe swavritti virodhi vrittimat atyanta अत्यंताभाव, अत्यंत नहीं, अत्यंताभाव अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम प्रमेयत्वादेः आयाति न तो तद अप्रतियोगित्वम. अत्यंताभाव इज व्यावहारिक, so then व्यावहारिक अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्ति मद अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम will come in प्रमेयत्व, not अप्रतियोगित्वम, and therefore that will be okay. Third number टिप्पणी अतो न केवलान्वयित्वम इति शेष, and therefore it is not केवलान्वयी because it has अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम. In Brahma there is व्यावहारिक स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्ति मद अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम is available. This topic is over. Actually, I wanted to start the next topic within 10 minutes of this class. I wanted to finish, but the whole class went in this. Now, I will just read one number tippani on page 93 and we will conclude. See one number tippani on page 93. Esha Shanka तत्परिहारश्च इति सर्वं द्वितीय मिथ्यात्व निरूपणे अद्वैत सिद्धावसेयम्. This Shanka and its Parihara both are given in Dvitiya Mithyatva Prakarana Nirupanam in Advaita Siddhi. So this entire Shanka from Nanu Evam and its Samadhanam up to that paragraph, mostly, all of that is from Advaita Siddhi. This whole paragraph. To just understand this paragraph, we will take at least 2 sessions if you pick up properly. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.